When you ask a large language model a question like, "What is the capital of India?" you're starting an incredible journey of artificial intelligence. This simple text represents human language in its natural form: words, sentences, and meaning that we understand intuitively. But for a computer to process this information, it needs to be transformed into something it can work with. The AI model receives your raw text input and prepares to break it down into processable components. The first step in processing your question is tokenization. The AI model takes your sentence and breaks it down into individual pieces called tokens. Each word becomes a separate token that the computer can analyze independently. Notice how "What is the capital of India?" becomes 7 distinct tokens. Some complex words might even be split into multiple tokens. This tokenization process is crucial because it allows the AI to understand the building blocks of language and analyze each component systematically. Now comes the mathematical magic. Each token must be converted into numbers because computers work with mathematics, not words. This process is called vector embedding. Every token becomes a high-dimensional vector, essentially a list of hundreds or thousands of numbers. These aren't random numbers though. They're carefully calculated to capture the meaning and relationships between words. Words with similar meanings will have similar vector representations, allowing the AI to understand context and semantic relationships. With our tokens converted to vectors, they enter the neural network, the brain of the AI system. Multiple layers of artificial neurons process this information simultaneously. The network uses attention mechanisms to analyze relationships between all tokens at once. It considers how each word relates to every other word in the sentence. Through millions of mathematical calculations happening in parallel, the network processes patterns it learned during training on vast amounts of text data. Finally, the AI generates its response. Using probability distributions, it predicts the most likely next words based on the patterns it has learned. The model considers thousands of possible responses and selects the most appropriate one. Watch as it types out, "The capital of India is New Delhi," each word chosen because it has the highest probability of being correct based on the model's training. The probability bars show how confident the AI is in different word choices, with "New" and "Delhi" having the highest confidence scores.